All right, out at the job site. This is a job we just finished up. They went with tan windows, brown trim. Looks very nice, finishing job. Let's see, got some pollen and stuff out today, but definitely looks nice. This job did the tan windows to go along with the grout in the bricks, make that kind of stand out. And then the brown trim goes with the brown of the house. Hope you enjoy it.
Here are a few pictures of the home before we replaced the windows. The windows were aluminum, drafty, and just didn't function. And here are a few after pictures of the job. Give Kemp a call today, 804-780-3800.